Good morning, everyone. It's Cody back with Ryan with DMV. It is currently 8 a.m. and today we are going to go meet up with a couple of the guys from the car meet, and we're going to go to Port St. Joe to have lunch with one of our friends who hasn't been able to make it out lately, and figure I'd just bring you guys along for the trip and see the way out to Mexico Beach in Port St. Joe. It's usually a straightaway, and it's hit or miss on fun. Probably gonna be a fun trip though. Anyways, we'll be at the meetup spot here shortly, so I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we made it to the meetup and we're actually now rolling out. We weren't here too long for me to even break out the GoPro, but there's a line of vehicles in front of me. That Mustang in front of me is procharged with an EOS supercharger. So not procharged, but centrifugal. I keep forgetting procharger's a brand. Good. And then we got a Trackhawk up in the front. We got the LS3 BRZ from Jaquay. We've got looks like the GMW from Dallas is up there. So I'll pick it up along the way, and we'll get some shots of going out to. We'll get some shots of us out there driving. Alright. See you in a bit. Get it. I didn't know that was with us. We got Tessa Blue GTO. Hey, and there's the GMW. It's Chris. That's pretty quick. Pretty sure I'll run him on the bike. Pretty. And then a curve. Whee! All fun. Here we are on the trip to Mexico. Anyways. There's Tyndall Air Force Base over there. We've already kind of passed the hangars and stuff, but that's all their property over there. I'm pretty sure the runway is right there where they like to go vroom and fly off and all that lovely shit with their jets constantly aggravating the fuck out of me while I'm at work. And then there's trees, a whole lot of trees. And then we got slow traffic in front of Dallas and Jen. And we got people behind us. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe over there in the mirror. Yeah, kind of, sort of. We got Jaquay and the BRZ right behind us. And then behind him is a Jeep Trackhawk. And then Will Calhoun with his Ram 1500 build. And I think we got just a couple more Jeeps. Wranglers, maybe? I don't know much about Jeeps. I just know if it ain't a 392 or a Trackhawk, they're pretty fucking slow in my opinion. Hate me if you will. Anyways, we're on the road again. Pick it up here in a little bit. Alright, we are now in Mexico Beach. A lot of these houses did not make it past my goal. These are all fresh rebuilds, as you can see over there. This area got, well, destroyed, decimated, fucked up, you name it, it happened. But they're coming back fairly well too. Almost like the hurricane didn't happen. What, 5 years ago? Yeah, 5 years ago. The Shell Shack, seafood and gifts. But yeah. There's like a dope-ass bridge I think we're going to go over here soon, so I'm going to pick it up there, but just wanted you guys to see the entrance to Mexico Beach whenever you come up to it from Panama. See you in a little bit. Outside of more construction and buildings, we now have a view of the ocean. Just gorgeous. Lovely view. Lovely. Entirely broken up by that house. There it is again. In a house. switching it up. And again. And another house. One more time.
Unplug that. I will unplug that.
So, Mexico Beach is pretty. Really long straight road to it. Really long road through it. There's an Exxon. Big ocean view. Alright. Pick it up at the bridge. One more shot. Yeah. There's the bridge. There's the bridge, and that's how close we are to the water. Should be getting into St. Joe once we get over the bridge, I believe. New constructions. Man. I haven't been out this far in years. Like, last time I was out this way was with Trey. No passing on bridge. Nice. Do it all day. It's like a roller coaster. Never been to the lighthouse. Oh, I'll pick it up whenever we get to where we're going. Alright, tell me about your truck.
This is a 1967 Chevy C30 tow truck with a BMW M54 3-liter with a T70 turbo and air ride.
You did the swap just because you could, right?
Yes. And for the what the fuck factor.
Did you do the piping yourself, or was it?
Nope, I did all that.
Nice, nice.
I bought a kit and trimmed it and flared it. And...
I got that tent. Where should I put it?
Woo!
We gotta see how they're gonna set it up.
Tow truck. What's up, Will?
What's up, bud?
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing. About like her.
What's up, man? I thought I saw your GT5.
Long time no see.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
We're gonna go look at cars here in a bit. 2007, 2008 GT500, upgraded Whipple supercharger, airbrushed custom hood, snake eyes. Ooh, gorgeous. Nice one. Not 100% certain on the year of this Charger here, but I'm gonna say 69, maybe?
Yeah, no, I was trying to match up my
With a bug catcher supercharger.
Lego.
Look at that. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah.
That thing is gorgeous. Oh. This is beautiful. Then the tow truck. Let's see. 68 to 69, maybe 70 Camaro. Can't remember where they redid the body style. I think it was 71. 1970 they redid it. That's gorgeous. Cam 3-valve. Out the hood. 2010 3-valve.
I would say a 60, maybe.
C1 Corvette. The Saturday night cruiser of the late 50s, early 60s.
Or 62, maybe.
It was gorgeous. Air ride track hawk. The LS3 BRZ. This is nice. This is gorgeous. I like the look on the looking glass. How they got it going for the beach thing.
Toyota Corolla.
And then Will Calhoun's Ram build that he is doing. I think he says it's got a 396 stroker in it. That's a pretty good motor. Pretty powerful. Strong engine. There's the LS3 and the BRZ. Catch up in it? Chevy C10. Chevy C10. 396 Ram. And when it is pulled up, I told everyone to go home. Oh, it's even got the little crank. Roadrunner. People.
Found the coffee.
You did? This is gorgeous. He even honked the horn for us, so it went eek eek. Walk down this aisle and then we'll go get food. Pitmobile. Dog. C1 Corvette. 2010 4.6. Camaro has the hood pop. That is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. V12, twin turbo, AMG.
She was doing a lot of my stuff and kind of got sick. Or I had somebody else paint the front. Something turned her off.
Ooh, Whipple supercharged. That's nice. It's like a Gen 5. Camaro 2SS for the L99 in it.
This was the 442. This is an older one.
Buick GNX. The Grand Nash.
Very nice. Thank you.
Chevy Nova. And all these things.
Little spin bucket.
Nice little turnout. We'll pick it back up here in a bit. Little pups. Back at it over here. We got more cars that pulled up. Gen 2 LS swapped. Very nice. Shelby. Oh, there's two C8 Corvettes that are the same color. One's just a spider. Ooh. True Shelby F-150. This is gorgeous. Very nice. The Rivian electric SUV. C8. Yeah. The LT2. Very nice little event out here. A little chili cook-off. Good God. Someone's looking at a cheesehead. God, I hope I got that.
So cute.
I turned the camera around.
Like the first big event.
This is nice out here.
Even the ones that come in January.
Nice. Smell pickles.
There is nowhere to park. It's like July.
Huh?
Cheesehead. We'll get it now.
I will definitely get it now. I wonder if she's a Green Bay fan. Because Wisconsin is cheeseheads. Cheesehead. Oh, shit. It looks like that's all the vehicles that'll be here today. I'll pick it back up whenever we go. Start heading out, heading home. More footage from Mexico Beach. What are you gonna let me test drive? Anyways, back to what I was saying. We all know who won the car show. I'm hoping it's either the Roadrunner or my buddy Dallas, his GMW. And we're heading home now. It's like an hour drive. So we're just gonna go ahead, head home, take care of the pup, and make sure everything's straight for tonight. Anyways, I'll pick it back up as we're driving, you know, maybe do a pull here or there, traffic permitting. Yeah. Catch you in a bit. Get some more shots of it. I wouldn't mind taking a photo. Sandy cheeks. Mexico Beach is still beautiful, guys. Still beautiful. Okay, so I forgot to finish the video yesterday. I ended up going and seeing the movie Megan. Me and Stacey did. Pretty good movie. Recommend it. We also ended up watching the Pray for the Devil. I wouldn't recommend that. It was boring. Anyways, I did find out that my buddy Dallas got 3rd place in the contest. He was the tow truck GMW, so the GM tow truck with the BMW motor. He got 3rd place in the show, so that's awesome. There was a lot of really good cars out there, as you saw in the video earlier, and it was awesome. It was a good event, and yeah, man, it was fun. Never seen a Roadrunner in person. That was a first for me, honestly. I like classic cars. I think a lot of people do. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video. If you like what you saw, remember like, share, subscribe, comment, all that lovely stuff. And yeah, just stay tuned. We'll have more content coming. Peace.